Eurofighter Typhoon is the most advanced multi-role combat aircraft available on the market today. Flexible, agile, and enduring, it provides simultaneously deployable air-to-air and air-to-surface capabilities. In the exercises, the Typhoon has quickly established a reputation as one of the world's most formidable dogfighters, with high maneuverability and energy preservation characteristics. In the 1970s, several Western European countries perceived a need for a new fighter aircraft. Older designs, often acquired from the United States, were reaching the end of the mature stages of their development and desperately needed replacement. These included the F-4 Phantom and the F-104 Starfire. The United States had developed the F-15 and F-16 in the 1970s, and the Soviets were threatening to leave the Europeans behind with a combination of the MiG-29 and Su-27. With the 1970s Panavia Tornado capably filling a strike role, the European community coalesced around an air superiority fighter project. Designed around a core focus on maneuverability, the Typhoon sports a delta-wing airframe with frontal canards and a quadruplex redundant fly-by-wire system to compensate for its inherent aerodynamic instability. Partly as a result of this design, it quickly distinguished itself among pilots for its impressive agility in dogfighting scenarios and is likewise capable of reaching a top speed of Mach 2. In accordance with FCAS guidelines, the Typhoon features AIM-120 missiles with beyond visual range capability. It later became one of several fighters to launch the potent new long-range Meteor air-to-air missile. Although originally conceived for an air superiority role, the Typhoon has since been upgraded with a slew of air-to-ground weapons that make it a viable option for certain strike missions. Among them, the Storm Shadow cruise missile and the British Brimstone anti-tank missile. In point of fact, the Eurofighter's several waves of revisions have consisted largely of further weapons integration and targeting updates, notably including BAE Systems' sophisticated helmet-mounted symbology system. Eurofighter Typhoon has a four-plane delta design, which is inherently and intentionally aerodynamically unstable in subsonic flight. This was developed with experienced pilots to provide enhanced maneuverability while still being highly intuitive to fly. The instability in subsonic flight requires a complex flight control system to support the pilot, as the computer systems can react more quickly at lower speeds. When Eurofighter Typhoon crosses into supersonic flight, the point of instability moves behind the center of gravity, giving a stable aircraft for high-performance flight. The advantages of an intentionally unstable design include greater agility at subsonic speeds, as well as reduced drag and an overall increase in lift for enhanced short takeoff and landing performance. Proposed engine enhancements such as vectored thrust will further boost the agility of the aircraft. Eurofighter Typhoon delivers an enviable level of flexibility and efficiency. Only Eurofighter Typhoon possesses both adequate weapon availability and sufficient processing power to simultaneously support missile in-flight updates and bomb in-flight targeting. True swing roll capability. The aircraft is designed to be upgraded and extended in order to provide decades of effective use. Combining a proven, agile airframe built from stealth materials with the latest sensor, control and weapons systems delivers optimum combat capability, both beyond visual range and in close combat. The weapons systems, navigation technologies and control infrastructure are all designed to be upgraded to continue to enhance the overall performance of the aircraft. Just over 550 Typhoon fighters have been built, with around 100 more projected to enter service in the future. The Eurofighter has enjoyed relative export success across the world, with the current list of customers ranging from Austria to Oman, Qatar, and Kuwait. The Typhoon is expected to fly for the core Western European partners until the early 2040s, when it is scheduled to be phased out in favor of Europe's upcoming sixth-generation Future Combat System project.